Last week, in your math door, in your virtual classroom, you guys added one more. You watched a video about adding just one more. And we've been practicing patterns in which we do the next number or one more. Today, we're going to be solving problems by adding one more. Let's take a look. Carlos had 3 frogs. 1, 2, 3. Then he saw one more. I'm going to use my counters. Make a dot for a counter. These were the 3 frogs that Carlos saw. 1, 2, 3. But then he saw one more. I'm going to make one more counter there. I'm not going to fill it in. That way I know he saw 3 to begin with, and then one more came. How many does he have now? What's one more than 3? 4. He had 4. 1, 2, 3, and the one that came late. 4. Let's look at the next problem together. Look at the problem right below this one. Then came one more. So Carlos has 4 frogs, and then came one more. Draw a circle around each frog as you count it. 1, 2. Make sure you're doing this on your paper. 3 and 4. Then came one more. So draw an empty circle to represent the one that came late. How many does he have altogether now? Count your counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus one more is 5. Now he has 5. Write the number that's one more on the line. For this problem, you have to be careful not to just count the frogs. If I count the frogs, I could get the wrong answer because then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 frogs. But remember, there's another frog that came late. They want us just to draw an empty circle to represent the one that came late. So if I count them, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you count your counting circles, not just the picture. Let's take a look at the next one together. Let's see. Oh, let me do all my erasing. Go to the next page. Circle each of the frogs that are shown in our first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop! There are 7 frogs here right now, but draw an empty circle to represent one more. The one more that's going to come late. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But when I add in one more, how many would it be? What's one more than 7? 8. That's the number I'm going to write on my line because I'm counting my circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's look at the next problem. Circle your frogs and count them first. 1, 2. Now write a circle to represent one more that came late. How many do you have if you have one more that comes late? 1, 2, 3. Did you say 3? Great job, Amaya. Great job, Peyton. 3. Let's write a 3 on our line. Do a bump to the middle and a bump to the bottom. 3. I'm going to erase. You keep all your hard work on your paper. I'm going to erase so we can see the next problem without any marks on it. Let's look at this one together. Okay, what am I going to do first? Count and circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8, but then I need to add one more. Do a circle to represent the one more that came late. Now how many do I have? Count the circles to represent the one that came late. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I have 9 frogs. Even though I don't see the frog here right now, I know that we're doing one more that's going to come late. I had to think about this when I planned Thanksgiving because we always have one more that comes late. So I have to set a place at the table for everyone in my family plus one more for the one that comes late. Let's look right here at this problem. What are we going to do first? Count and circle. 1, 2. You're doing this on your paper. 3, 4, 5, 6. But I have to do an empty circle to represent the one more that comes late. What comes after 6? 7. I can count my circles now to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I draw a line across and down. 7. Great job. I'm going to erase, but you keep all your hard work on your paper. All right. Got that all erased. Let's take a look at the next problem. All right, this problem has lots of steps, and we are going to do them together. Let's make sure you got your very good listening ears on. I'm going to get my story that goes with this one. All right. This is Marta. Say hello to Marta. All right. Let's see, Marta. There we go. Thank you for your patience, class. Marta's family has 5 pets, and her family wants to get one more. Draw a picture to show how many pets Marta's family has plus one more. Let's see. type of pets do you want to draw? You can do any type of pets. I think I'm going to do a fish. Make little bubbles. There's one. Maybe a cat. I'm going to do a second cat because I think cats sometimes like to have a buddy. And we'll do a dog. You can draw anything you want here. I'm just going to draw the ones I imagine that she has as a part of her family. Hope I messed that up just a little bit. It's her dog. There's another dog. All right, so she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus they're going to get one more pet. What's the one more pet they're going to get? We don't know. Let's do an empty circle for that one. 5 and 6. Oh, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Marta will have 6 pets. Good job following along today, class.